Cyber threats are everywhere, and businesses need to protect themselves. But how? The answer lies in ethical hacking. Let's dive into what it is, how it works, and why it's so crucial today. Ethical hacking is the practice of legally testing computer systems, networks, and applications for vulnerabilities. Think of it as a white hat hacker who uses their skills for good rather than evil. To clarify, not all hackers are criminals. While black hat hackers use their skills for malicious purposes, ethical hackers, also called penetration testers, work with companies to strengthen their defenses. Companies hire ethical hackers to proactively identify weaknesses in their systems before cybercriminals can exploit them. Their job is to simulate real-world attacks, also known as penetration testing, and find vulnerabilities. Ethical hackers use powerful tools to carry out their tests. Some common ones include Metasploit for exploit development, Wireshark for network monitoring, and Burp Suite for testing web applications. Here's how it works. Let's say a hacker tries to breach a company's network using a phishing email or a vulnerable website. Ethical hackers do this in a controlled environment, giving the company time to fix vulnerabilities before they become real threats. They simulate various attack methods like SQL injection, brute force attacks, and social engineering, all to assess how well the company's systems hold up against cybercrime tactics. Once vulnerabilities are found, ethical hackers provide detailed reports to the company recommending fixes. This way, businesses can patch their systems and improve security protocols before a breach occurs. In today's digital world, a data breach can cost a company millions and ruin their reputation. That's why ethical hackers play a crucial role in preventing cyber attacks. If you're interested in becoming an ethical hacker, there are certifications you can pursue, such as CEH, Certified Ethical Hacker, or CISSP, Certified Information Systems Security Professional, which help develop the skills needed for the job. Ethical hacking isn't just about stopping hackers. It's about building a safer online world for everyone. Want to learn more about cybersecurity and ethical hacking? Hit that like button, subscribe, and stay ahead of the curve.